Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the December Mani by Me box. I just received it today actually. When I opened it, it's Monday oh my gosh, what, the 16th? No, the 15th. Yes, I have gloves on because my nails are a wreck. I just took my nails off that I had on for almost 2 weeks. We got back from Washington on Sunday, and that night I started taking them off, and I just finished this morning. So yeah, I have to put like my fiberglass gel and all that on my nails, so they're a wreck. But this is like space themed. I did see Melissa's Manis and More. She opened the box. Blast off into cosmic creativity with this intergalactic Mani by Me journey with space age, inspired by retro sci-fi and mid-century modern aesthetics. This month's collection is packed with rocket-fueled fun, starry scenes, and celestial coolness. So we have the two plates. We have polishes, UFO, a gray cream stamping polish with a silver hollow sand finish. Zero Gravity is a deep navy metallic with hollow glitter. And then the bonus gift this month, you guys, is another plate. Since I've had the box almost 3 years, I've never gotten an extra plate. It's always been, like a tool, which all their gifts are absolutely amazing. But yes, we get a third plate. So this is Atomic Perfection. And this is the little inspo card here. Super cute. So we're just going to get everything opened here. And we always get our little sticker. That's so cute. I love the retro feel of that. Sorry, I was trying to adjust my camera. But like I was saying, I did see this on Melissa's Manis and More, and she was saying how it reminded her of the Jetsons. Some of the pictures, the images. So yes, I was like, oh, that's so cool. Like it did when she was showing it and unboxing it. But look at this plate. It's got the cats. Oh my gosh. It's got like little galaxy scenes. Greetings, human. Don't probe me. Beam me up. Astro babe made of stars. Planet over people. I love it. It's so cute. And it just got all the little space, little scenes there. I just absolutely love those little stars too. They're so cool. This one, yeah, right here, the Jetsons, like bam, right there. Absolutely love it. It's got little astronauts, a little alien, little rockets. Like I said, like little galaxy, little stars. Just, oh, I just love it. It's so cool. I don't really have any space plate, so this will be cool. You never know when collabs and, things come up. And then this is the third plate. Look at this one for long nails. Perfect. And again, it's got some space theme. I think this plate has already been on the website probably, but they included it. Yeah, I definitely didn't have it. So this is so cool. It's got the planets, the astronauts. I'm just loving the space theme to bring in the new year. I love it. I think it's a cool idea. And so look at these polishes. Oh, I just couldn't get enough. This is UFO B573. It's a gray, but look at that rainbow hollow. And it said something about sand, but it didn't really feel gritty to me. So I don't know if it just, maybe the glitters are, but I didn't really notice. Like it went on super smooth. Yeah, there was a little piece of cardboard. Maybe when it got stuck when they were closing it or something. I don't know, but it didn't do anything to the polish. It was just literally sitting in the lid. But look at this gray with those, oh my God, those hollow glitters. And look at this blue. Look at all that rainbow in there. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. This is Zero Gravity B754. Super, super pretty. Oh my gosh. Perfect colors to go with the whole space theme. I absolutely love it. And it does have that retro feel, the plates. Oh, I love it. So I'm going to get my table cleaned up here and we're going to go ahead and swatch. And I decided to do this image, this type of image actually for both of the polishes. That way you could really see, what the color looks like. But this gray is just, I love gray. It's just so pretty. And I did put my sticky base on top. And then look at that. When the light hits it, you can see the little sparkles, especially on the black background. But absolutely gorgeous. And then we're going to go in with the blue now. And then I will swatch the polishes too on some little swatch sticks just so you could see the full color. These are absolutely gorgeous to wear on your nails. If you can wear them on your nails, you know, let it dry, and then, you know, it doesn't have to be your natural nails. They could be on, you know, Gel X or even acrylic. You just gotta let it dry and then just put a gel top coat over it and you'll be fine. Because that's what I did in the little demo here. I'm just cleaning up my, I always make sure to clean up my scraper card, my plates, all that. And so yes, we're gonna go in and swatch this. Look at this gray, how pretty. It's like one coat coverage. There was one little spot that, I don't know, because they're regular polishes, so they do dry pretty quick. It just had a little line down the middle, like I didn't smoothen it out enough. So I did go in and put another coat on top. So I'm going to let that dry, and then we're going to do the blue. I just kept this all in real time just so you could see, but look at this one coat. Oh my God, it just goes on so nice, and it's absolutely gorgeous, this blue. Oh my goodness. It almost looks like a cat eye, but look at all that glitter. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So yes, I did already go ahead and paint the nails with those colors there, the index and the pinky, and then I went in with black and just wiped the tacky layer off on the middle and the index finger, and we're going to go in with Sapphire Love. This cat eye, I wanted to kind of get a cat eye to match that blue, and I thought it matched, I mean, pretty close. So I'm just going to paint that all over the nail, and then I am going to go in and just kind of make like a design basically in the middle. I kind of wanted it to look like a galaxy, or, you know, out in space. But I thought it matched really, really good. And so yeah, I'm just going to go in and basically I'm just trying to move it towards the middle, you know, to look like a kind of a galaxy. Like I said, I'm not the best with the magnet, so I'm going to grab like a smaller one. Yeah, I just wanted, because I wanted the black to come through in the background, because, you know, it's space. So I wanted the black to come through, but then I did want some of the blue. So I'm just going to flash cure that. All right, so I went ahead and put a gel top coat. That way if we make a mistake with the stamping, if we use the the acetone, it's not going to mess up the polish. So yes, I love that cat eye. I think it matches perfectly with that stamping polish. So I took out these two charms. I want to incorporate some charms. Sorry, somebody's doing yard work out there. I just wanted to do this while nobody was here, so I don't have to do voiceover. But yes, I want to use these two charms. And so now I'm just going to try to figure out what kind of images, you know, I want to do on the nails. Oh yes, I did have to come in and do a voiceover. I did have a phone call. I don't know if you could hear my phone ringing at the end of that last part. And then, yeah, somebody was doing yard work, and then my dogs were barking. So yeah, I was like, whatever, I'm just going to have to do a voiceover. So on the gray nail, we're going to put Astro Babe. I didn't like the way that came out. I think some of the stars weren't very clear. So I'm just going to clean the plate with acetone. You always want to clean your plate with only acetone. Alcohol will not remove the polish, so just acetone. And you never want to use acetone or alcohol or anything on your stamper. You wipe your stamper with either Scotch tape or a lint roller, or you can use the little stamper station that Maniology has. And soap and water. You know, you can wash it every once in a while with soap and water, but you never want to use alcohol or acetone on your stamper. It will make it cloudy, and then you won't be able to see. So then I wanted to go in with this little kitty. Oh, I just think it's absolutely adorable. So I did go in and add some little blue stars. I don't know what happened. I think I stopped recording for some reason, and then yeah, see, I was showing you, I'm going to put these little stars. I stopped for some reason, and then, yeah, I'm going to show it right now. You can see it when it hits the light. It's a little hard to see because it's the gray's so glittery. But when you move your finger, you'd be able to see the blue, and I just thought I wanted to add a little something. So I believe this image is going on the index finger. It just has spaceships and rockets and different stars. Just wanted to do a nail with a full, you know, image like that. And so there was a little space at the bottom, so I'm just going to go in and just add, I think from a different image actually. I just go in and add like a little bit of a spaceship or something. I don't remember. Oh, this was just done yesterday, but I just don't remember. Yeah, I wanted like something in that image, so, oh, excuse me. So yeah, I'm just going to clean up kind of what I don't want. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect because it's literally at the very, very bottom. But I think I just wanted like a piece of the little starship or spaceship there. But yeah, just that blue is just, oh my god, look at that. How glittery. I mean, it looks like a cat eye. Like if you didn't activate, like a cat eye that's not activated, that's what it reminds me of. So these polishes, I would definitely recommend getting these polishes. They will be on the website in a few weeks. So yes, they're absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna go in and do the little space scene, little buildings here, little Jetsons. I mean, you could do so much with these plates. I mean, look at the little planets, I mean, you could just go all out. But this was just demonstration, and I just have 4 nails, so I just wanted to just do something quick and just show, yeah, with the cat eyes. I mean, you can make your little space scene. You could add planets. That's an idea too. I like that. With the black background, do like a little cat eye design, and then put planets, stars, you know, all that. Just, oh, it looks so pretty. So I did add this little gray part here, like a little galaxy part. And then I did put the little astronaut, you'll see. I just wanted to incorporate, you know, both the polishes. So I just wanted to add the little astronaut there. And then I'm going to go ahead and just flash cure that. And then I do put the hand in the lamp, you know, the big lamp for 60 seconds. And then for the ring finger, we're going to go in, and I am top coating these nails, of course, after we stamp, but didn't show that just because, I mean, I'm just top coating with the gel top coat. So I was just trying to figure out what I wanted to do on the ring finger. I did want to use that design, and then I don't know, the way it would fit, I don't think it would look right. Maybe on a thumb it would look a little better. So I'm just going to basically take this little design and go right down the nail. I don't know, I just thought that was a cool little design there. And then I'm going to go in with like a bunch of these little stars and just put those around with the gray. And then I think I used the blue too, if I can remember. Yeah, so that one's gray. Like I said, when the light hits it, you can see them because of the glitter in there. But yeah, I love these little stars. They're not 4-pointed stars. They're like, wait, 1, 2, 3, like 8-pointed stars. And I love how they match the charm too. And yeah, like I was saying, I should have added some little stars and planets to the middle nail, but I just top coated it and called it a day. So yeah, we're just gonna glue the charm on. I think I ended up turning it around. Yeah, I ended up turning it that way just because I thought it was, I don't know, maybe it's the same, but to me it looked a little off, so I just turned it around. All right, so this is the finished set here, and let me just bring it a little bit closer. I think it's really cute. These colors are, oh my gosh, look at that with the cat eye under it. How cool. And then we have the little astronaut there. And then this nail with all the little goodies there. So cute. Oh my gosh, like I said, this is just a quick little set, just to give you an idea basically what the colors look like, you know, on the nail. I mean, that's so pretty, and I love gray. This gray is absolutely gorgeous, so pretty. And then you can do like a cat eye for like the galaxy effect. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this box. I'm going on, let's see, March, oh my gosh, I think it's gonna be 3 or 4 years, I think 3 years that I have the box, and I absolutely love it. I just love the box. It's so worth it. This month we get the extra plate, which is so cool. So yes, and the polishes, like I said, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that sparkle in there. Oh, so pretty. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.